All right, hey, it's Tuesday, and last week we talked about some new items, and this week I was like, why not? We'll talk about some more new items, because usually this time of year we don't get a lot of new items, so kind of fun to have some new items. How many drink every time I say new items? So, coming in the store, right when you first enter into the entryway, I sound so smart all the time, don't I? In the vestibule. So when you first walk in, we have a selection of gloves, and we've recently got a whole new line of gloves in. So we got a variety of work gloves, just basic work, leather work gloves, pigskin ones, cowhide leather ones, just again, different types of cowhide. And then we go down to a little bit higher end cowhide, the lighter colored ones, and then we go to some work gloves. These like have the anti-vibration padding in them, things that protect your knuckles, things like that. These are the gripper gloves that kind of slide on. They got the little rubber tabby things here to help you grab a hold of things, give you some gription. So we got those. Your brown jersey gloves, and then some heavy duty cowhide gloves down the very bottom. And then over here we have your work gloves that are PVC coated to kind of like chemical resistant type stuff, kind of keep your the nastiness off of you. They're fairly long, not like all the way up to your shoulder long, because you know we don't need those. And then we also have some protective sleeves to go on your arm. These are the cut level ones, protect against cutting, and they're kind of the stretchy protective sleeves. We keep a set of those here. And then we're going to switch over to some other cut resistant ones. These are a little bit more stretchy with nitrile. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. But they have this is a level 1 cut level. We have some more work gloves that have a silicone palm, and they're a little bit more form-fitting. I'm hungry, apparently. Form-fitting. The foam works. That's always good. We love hearing that ring, because that means people want to buy things. So yeah, these strap right onto your wrist, so you're less likely to get things down into your glove. And then we have these impact ones as well, designed to protect your knuckles a little bit. And then we have down the very bottom here some extreme grip gloves. They're mechanics gloves. So, and you're working in a mechanic environment, things are slickery, so you get some more gription. And then over on this side, we have some women's gloves, and these are a lot of gardening gloves, some mediums and smalls and larges. And same idea, we have leather hybrid ones, a little bit more breathable, so you're less likely to get all sweaty. We have ones that are similar to that as well, just a little bit different material. Different decorative ones, even the coated latex ones kind of keep you a little bit more out of wet environments. And then we have the long ones here that help protect against thorns. So that can be a challenge when you're trying to clear property and do some like roses and things like that are a little bit prickly. We do have the protection sleeves in a different brand. These are good for outdoor work and gardening and things like that, where they're scratch resistant. These are actually UPF 50, and they're moisture wicking. And then we sneak over here to some of the gripper gloves. Same idea. These ones got the little tabs on here, little nitrile dots, so you can get a little bit more a hold of things. And then more stretch gloves with some more grippers on them. And then working home coated gloves, so a little bit of protection, but they're also breathable. And then we go down to some of the kids gloves down the very bottom, where they're kid level and easy to reach, so that's super convenient. And then we have some women's jersey gloves that have the little grip dots on them as well, and the coated gloves as well. So we have those. all in stock. So we got you covered for, you know, the rest of the season. And we also have the chore gloves that are in a little bit different spot behind you. And then we also have some more work gloves on this end cap as well. And I totally just saw those and didn't realize they were there. So I'm glad we're recording this because I wouldn't have known. And then down our automotive aisle, we have some mechanics gloves, which are right here. So we have a whole variety of those. These have a heavier cut level in the Milwaukee brand. These are cut level 3, these are cut level 5. So a little bit more protection. We have your grease monkey gloves, traditional mechanics gloves, the old original style, and you know, OG stuff. Hard to beat the best. And then some high vis ones, mechanic style, which I don't know how long they'll look like that if you're a mechanic, but hey, we got them. So yeah, so again, we are right stocked with gloves, ready to go for the rest of the season. So you know where to find us. And you can also now do in-store pickup from our website. So feel free to check that out. If you look back a couple weeks on our Facebook posts, we released that a couple weeks ago. So look back on that, scroll back, or I'm sure there'll be a link on our, not a link, but there'll be on our YouTube channel. There'll be a video there as well you can check out. So there you go. You got options to find that quicker. Thank you very much.